The Mi-28N helicopter is one of the most feared attack helicopters in Western countries. This version was developed since 2009, with new designs in the nose, propeller, fire control system and radio electronic data processing. In accordance with the target to update the helicopter's weapons system, after the first flight test in 2016 and all of which were completed last October 2020. Mi-28N is now equipped with the latest generation of missiles. Chief Combat Helicopter Program Designer at the Mil-and-Kumov National Helicopter Center, part of the Russian helicopter group, Rostec, Vitaly Sherbina said the new Mi-28N attack helicopter has received next-generation missile and rocket armament. In cooperation, we focus on expanding the range of the air-launched weapons of the helicopter's airborne armament, as a basic area for upgrading the basic Mi-28N helicopter, he explained, launching TASS, Friday, May 21. The Mi-28N and 28N air weapons are now equipped with missiles that can be used day and night, multi-role ammunition that allows attacks without the need to enter the enemy's air defense area. There are also the latest generation of rockets whose capacity is increased, as well as bombs of various calibers. Sherbina further explained, this helicopter also has an efficient combat operations system as a reconnaissance and attack system. As well as an efficient combat operations system, the Mi-28N's weapons system is also efficient, thanks to the use of multi-purpose missiles, using the missiles as part of the information support system of reconnaissance drones and automated command posts created by Mil. Comprehensive use of this missile together with information sources about the enemy and the combat environment in the designated area will allow the crew to deal with the problem of optimizing the flight characteristics of the combat work area in real time, that is selecting the parameters for launching an attack on the target, the speed, path and flight. Based on this scheme, the Mi-28N attack helicopter can launch one or several kamikaze drones. Upon detecting an enemy target, the helicopter crew issues target acquisition and exercises control over their destruction. The Mi-28N can also interact with other types of drones. Automatic interaction between Mi-28N helicopters and various reconnaissance drones helps monitor designated areas without entering the enemy's effective air defenses, provides accurate target acquisition, and practice control for next-gen